everyone, welcome to my channel Crazy Girl Jeshmita. Today I am here with some money. Today I am gonna tell what we call money in Hindi, Telugu and English. In Telugu we call this 50 paisalu. In English we call 50 paise. In Hindi we call 50 paise. We call this in Telugu oka rupai. In English we call 1 rupee. In Hindi we call 1 rupaya. We call this in Telugu 2 rupayilu. In English we call 2 rupees. In Hindi we call 2 rupaya. 2 rupaye. We call this in Telugu 5 rupayilu. In English we call 5 rupees. In Hindi we call 5 rupaye. In Telugu we call 10 rupayilu. In English we call 10 rupees. In Hindi we call 10 rupaye. In Telugu we call 20 rupayilu. In English we call 20 rupees. In Hindi we call 20 rupaye. In English we call 50 rupees. In Telugu we call 50 rupayilu. In Hindi we call 50 rupaye. In Telugu we call 100 rupayilu. In Hindi we call 100 rupaye. In English we call 100 rupees. In Telugu we call 200 rupayilu. In Hindi we call 200 rupaye. In English we call 200 rupees. In Telugu we call 500 rupayilu. In English we call 500 rupees. In Hindi we call 500 rupaye. In Telugu we call 1000 rupayilu. In English we call 1000 rupees. In Hindi we call 1000 rupaye. In English we call 2000 rupees. In Telugu we call 2000. In Hindi we call 2000 rupaye. Thank you. Dhanyavadamulu. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe to my channel Crazy Girl Jeshmita. Bye bye. See you in the next video.